Most middle-class families work hard, earn regularly, and try to save money. But even after years of effort, many people feel like they are not moving forward financially. The reason is not always income, sometimes it's the mistakes we don't even realize we are making. Mistake 1. Depending only on salary. For many people, salary is the only source of income. Every month, money comes in, and then goes out through expenses. There is no second source of income or asset that generates money. This makes financial growth slow and dependent on job security. Mistake 2. Saving but not investing. Saving money is important, but keeping all money in savings accounts or fixed deposits may not be enough. Because over time, inflation reduces the real value of money. Without investing, money does not grow significantly. Mistake 3. Too much focus on EMI. Loans are common in middle-class life. But when too much income goes into EMI, it limits the ability to save and invest. Over time, people end up working mostly to repay loans. Mistake 4. Lifestyle inflation. As income increases, spending also increases. A better phone, bigger house, more expensive lifestyle. While this may feel rewarding in the short term, it reduces long-term financial growth. Mistake 5. No financial planning. Many people earn and spend without a clear plan. There are no defined goals like retirement planning, wealth creation, or long-term investments. Without a plan, money decisions become random and less effective. Mistake 6. Ignoring investing early. Time is one of the most powerful factors in building wealth. Starting late means losing the benefit of long-term growth. Even small investments made early can grow significantly over time. Conclusion. The middle class works hard and carries many responsibilities. But avoiding these common mistakes can make a huge difference over time. Better financial awareness, disciplined investing, and smart decisions can slowly change the financial future of any family.